Welcome back to LixelStudio software tutorial. In this video, we will showcase the volume calculation tool. This tool allows you to easily measure the volume of stacks and piles. Click the data you would like to measure and activate the tool. If you would like to set the volume calculation border, click the square draw border icon to delineate the boundaries. Then, select the base plane for the volume calculation. There are two selection modes, with the triple point selection. You could specify a plane by clicking on 3 points in the point cloud. Hit the reset icon if you would like to reselect the plane. The other selection mode allows you to adjust a horizontal plane up and down to the adequate level. Change the height parameter to move the base plane. Once you are satisfied with the base plane, you can proceed to fill the holes on the pile. Circle around the holes you would like to fill. Then, you could enter the density of the material if you would like to calculate the weight of the pile. The grid size affects the resolution of volume measurements, with smaller values leading to higher resolution. It can be left as default in most cases. Changing it to a larger number will sacrifice the resolution but speed up the calculation process. Excavation or cut volume is derived from the structure above the base plane, while filling volume is calculated from that beneath. If you would like to export the calculation report into a PDF, you could use the export function and save it to a specific location. The reports will include excavation and fill area, base area, and weight. Once you have finished volume calculation, click on the tool again to exit.